Hello and welcome to my Patreon page. My name is Andrew Tarasov and I'm a pretty famous artist. I worked for Playboy, Disney, Fox, Maxim and other companies. You can see my art all over the internet, but this page is for something different. This page is for sponsoring my adult art and sexy comics. You can choose your reward on the top of the page and become a member of a very friendly and kinky community here. After pledging, you will see a thank you page based on your reward. For example, if it's $5, you'll be able to download cool wallpapers for your phone and computer, pin-up and not safe for work pictures, sometimes with process steps, and Swingin' Island, erotic graphic novel, more than 100 pages of quality erotic art, and PDF is available for downloading, and Swingin' Island 2, Pleasureland, 2 pages per week of sequel of the first story. When I get 666 patrons, you will see 3 pages per week. And Pinapocalypse Comics, my passion project, as a free bonus for every reward. If it's $10, you will get Photoshop files of my pictures. And if it's $15, you will officially support creating a motion comics based on the first Swingin' Island book. You will see the video results first. But not only this, you also can influence on this story with your suggestions and ideas. I love to hear advices from my patrons, and when the book is published you will get your name in the history of erotic art. Thanks for support!